Cracks in brick, cracks in block, sticking windows or doors. Settling or sinking foundation, it's a fact. Foundation problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS.
It's the morning daily weather briefing video. This is for Friday, the 29th of July. I'm James Spann. Showers and thunderstorm coverage should be increasing across the northern half of the state today and really statewide over the weekend. It can't promise rain for everybody, but most of you should see a few decent summer downpours and soakers. That was the radar this morning, doing this update live at 5:05 a.m. And you can see some clusters of rain and storms over Tennessee and a few showers over the far northeastern corner of the state. But again, we'll start to see that increase in showers and storms later today during the daytime heating process. Birmingham at 80 to start the morning. The UHI, Urban Heat Island effect. Most other spots are in the 70s. I'm expecting highs today in the low 90s in most locations. There's the watch warning map across the southeastern states. Got a few counties east and west of here under heat advisories. Around the nation, flash flood watches continue for parts of the southwest United States as the monsoon season continues there. And some heat problems again back in the Pacific Northwest as they are underneath the ridge. Here's the severe weather outlook for today and tonight. We've got a risk of severe storms along a surface boundary just north of the state. And that marginal risk clips the northern quarter of Alabama. The areas in darker green, this is basically north of a line from near Vernon to Aniana to Weiss Lake. And the darker green, we could see a few storms with strong winds. That's the main concern, wet microbursts. We're out of tornado season, don't have tornadoes this time of year unless there's some type of external forcing device like a hurricane or a tropical storm. So again, don't have that today. But again, even for the southern two-thirds of the state, we should see more showers and storms around. This is tomorrow, and again, no severe weather expected, but we should see a number of showers and thunderstorms around. And pretty much the same thing on day 3, which is Sunday. A couple of marginal risks well to the east and north of here. Here's a look at rain for the next 7 days. Heavier totals for the northern half of the state. Rain amounts there between 1 and 2 inches for the southern counties, 1/2 to 1 inch between now and Friday of next week. Same old story in the tropics, awfully quiet. We have a lot of sinking air subsidence across the Atlantic basin, a lot of dry air and tropical storm formation not expected through a pretty good chunk of next week. We'll see how long that holds. So model fans, let's go. This is the GFS. This is the 06C run, valid today at 4. There's troughing north of the state, still got the ridge here, and there's a surface boundary that's over Tennessee. And the air should be a little more unstable today, so we'll see scattered showers and storms cranking up later today, statewide, more than recent days. And again, highs today, low 90s. And this is tomorrow, cloudy at times with scattered to numerous showers and storms across the state. And temperatures will likely stay below 90, which is a rare thing for the end of July. Sunday, evidence the higher coverage of showers and storms over the northern half of the state. And again, for the northern counties, highs will probably stay below 90. Go to Monday, same thing, better coverage of showers and storms over the north. Tuesday, evidence maybe over the south. And again, I stress, looking at these green blobs, it's not the best way of forecasting weather this time of the year, and that these larger scale models don't have the synoptic or have the resolution to handle the summer convection. This would be Wednesday of next week. A few scattered storms about Thursday. And a week from today, this is where it's happening here. This is back in the upper levels, about 18,000 feet off the ground. The most intense heat should be off to the west. That big upper high is sprawling out over the western states. And again, for us, classic summer weather, hot, muggy, a pop-up storm in spots. We'll go out 10 days. This is Sunday, August 7th. And again, that 597 circle is far to the west. We're on the eastern periphery of the heat bubble, and that looks like a number of showers and storms could be around if this works out. Rain for Birmingham, that green line continues in that 2 to 3 inch range. This is between now and the 13th of August. And heat levels coming from the NBM, National Blend of Models. 91 today, but look at those upper 80s for tomorrow, Saturday, Sunday, and then mostly low 90s after that. And again, for the first part of August, we'll take that all day long. We all know it can be so much more intense Latest 14-day outlook in the house. This is valid August 5th through August 11th. And the most intense heat probably a bit to the north. All right, a couple of quick pictures. Number 31 wanted to be on the morning weather briefing video. You got it. How about this? It looks like Vulcan over the beach last night. A Vulcan cloud, like the Vulcan up on Red Mountain. With these cumulus clouds, you can see so many different things. I love looking up, especially this time of the year. That was Orange Beach last night. Love that shot. Got a dolphin in the sunset there. And this is also coming from the Alabama Gulf Coast. And understand if you're beach bound, the weather's going to be fine. A lot of people are slipping in that last beach trip before school starts. For a lot of systems, school starts next week. How about that? But the weather's going to be fine. A lot of sun. And sure, from time to time, you'll have a shower or storm. That's just life on the Gulf Coast. But again, no sign of any tropical trouble down there anytime soon. That's the good news. Hey, got a book signing tomorrow in Haleyville, Alabama. The Bliss Bistro. We're going to be there between 10 and 1. And we have so much fun at these things. The people are so nice. And we'll have Weathering Life, which is an autobiography from me. All you can do is pray, the book about April 27, 2011. The new children's weather book. Benny and Chipper, all the T-shirts and the hats and all that stuff from the publisher. They're just great. I love the publisher that I work with, and we have a lot of fun. So if you're in Northwest Alabama, come by and see us tomorrow. Again, we'll be there at the Bliss Bistro, downtown Haleyville, from 10 until 1 o'clock. So that's it for the morning weather briefing video. We'll have notes on the blog. That is alabamawx.com. And if you can, join us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Cracks in brick, cracks in block? Call Alabama Professional Services. Leaning or bowing basement walls? Call APS. Sticking windows or doors? Call APS. Settling or sinking foundation? That's right. Call APS. It's a fact. Foundation problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS. Call Alabama Professional Services today.